Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm having Buffalo Wild Wings. Alright you guys, I got their new, I'll have it in the description and probably as the title. I forget what they're called. I think they're like Wild Dawgs. I got a side of their like Southwestern Ranch, I think is what it's called. But anyways, look at this. They each come with two. It's basically just a chicken strip. And this one, I got the buffalo one. And then I also got, and it comes with fries. I don't have my tray with me today. I took it out. Yeah. So I don't have it. So I gotta eat it like normal. Okay, and then I got this one. Ooh, and this is the one with honey mustard. It has the beer cheese on it with grilled onions. I'm gonna try this one last. And like I said, they each came with two. And then I got onion rings. So they come in a combo with fries, but I switched one out with onion rings. They also sell a honey barbecue one. And it's just like the buffalo one, only the sauce. It has everything, only it has everything that the buffalo one has, only it's honey barbecue sauce instead of buffalo sauce. I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Look at this. So it's in a brioche bun. It's got green onions. It has a slaw on it. Buffalo sauce, ranch. Yeah. Okay, I like the idea of this, but okay, let me set this up different. I'm all over the place. Okay, so this is what I have. Let me show you guys. Since I don't have my tray, my hand shall be the tray today. Okay. That's the Southwest sauce. I already took a bite of this. The only complaint I have is I would like more buffalo sauce. But other than that, it's good. So definitely ask for more sauce. Or get like a side of the sauce on the side so you can dip it. Your battered onion ring. Get their Southwestern Ranch. Their regular ranch is booty. It's good on this, but to dip, I always compare everything to Wingstop Ranch, which is Hidden Valley Ranch. So good. Think of it like a loaded hot dog, but instead of a hot dog, it's a chicken strip. I like how they put pepper on their fries. I didn't get anything to drink. And all I have in here is an old water bottle. I'm not gonna drink that. Mmm. Bomb diggity. I saw somebody do a TikTok of these. But it was a sponsored post. So. Okay. So they have 3 different ones. Like I said, the honey barbecue one is just like the buffalo, only it's with the honey barbecue sauce. So if you like that sweeter barbecue flavor. Alright, now this one I'm excited for. This one has the wild mustard with beer cheese on it. Look at this. And it has the grilled onions. Ooh, it's spicy. So is it's like a spicy honey mustard? So it's got a little sweetness because of the honey mustard. It's a wild honey mustard. Wild obviously means spicy. It is good. And then with the beer cheese. Oh my gosh. And the grilled onions. So instead of cabbage on this one, instead of the cabbage slaw, it has the grilled onions. This is my favorite. I'm glad I saved it for last. You guys should go try these. It's a new item. I don't know if they're sticking around or if it's for a limited time. What onion rings are good. That's got a kick to it. Can you get this sauce on wings? I don't know. I don't eat at Buffalo Wild Wings too often to know. I'm gonna look it up because that would be good on boneless wings or regular wings. I'm by the airport. So there goes the airplane overhead. Let me know how you guys are doing. Today is Thursday, August 4th. Those of you with kids, are you guys getting ready for school? We're going to start doing that here in a little bit. I still need to register, like transfer the kids. but the office isn't open until the 8th because they're out for the summer. But I can start the process online, so I've done that. Ooh, my hands are getting tired from holding this. What is beer cheese? Oh, there's a little birdie. It landed right on the fence in front of me. Ooh, this is spicy. I can feel it all the way in my chest. Going all the way down. I'm gonna definitely need something to drink. We got another hot weekend. So we had a whole heat wave 1 week. I think it was like 6 or 7 days. Temperatures over 95 degrees. And this weekend, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, we got another one coming up. Oh man. So, not really looking forward to that. It's been nice having a little break. It's still been in the high 80s though. Today's supposed to be 77, so I don't know what else to talk about. That's why I'm talking about weather. I don't really want to talk a whole lot about my personal life. Yeah. That's like for my vlog channel that I don't film for. I just need to pick up the camera and film something. But anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I don't have my AC on my car and it's getting real warm right now. What's all bread? These are good. Actually, let me have. There goes another airplane. Alright, you guys. If you guys are at Buffalo Wild Wings and don't want wings and you want something new to try these out. They come with fries, or you can switch it out for onion rings or a salad or tater tots or whatever. And they come with 2. On the app, I wasn't able to order like individual one of each. Maybe you can when you're in the restaurant. I don't know, but I wasn't able to on the app because I wanted to try all 3, but it only gave me the option to order the combo that comes with 2. So anyways, I need to go find something to drink because that was a little spicy. I love you guys so much. Stay tuned for the next video. I'm gonna try and post another one this week because I missed Tuesday's upload. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and post another video this week, probably tomorrow or Saturday. So stay tuned for that. Yeah, if you're not yet subscribed, that's Jose messaging me. If you are not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave me a comment down below, rate this video, share it with your family and friends, and I'll see you soon with a brand new one. Bye. Let me know what you guys want to see me eat. I want to do pupusas, and I'm supposed to do a bowl of mac and cheese. I might do corundas, if you guys know what corundas are, because I have some of those. My mother-in-law made them, and they're actually, no, my aunt-in-law, Jose's aunt, that helped like raise him when he was little, living in Mexico. She made them, and they're really good. So yeah, anyways, Let me know, give me some video ideas, you know. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon in the next video. Bye.